Now, if we wanted to create this crushing motion using a 4-bar mechanism, how would we go about that? Let's start by going back to our class files and opening a folder called 4-bar crush. And inside that folder, we're just going to open up the assembly 4-bar crush. And we're back to our basic original 4-bar mechanism that we created earlier. So let's start by making some basic changes to our original 4-bar. I'll start by changing this blue link from 50 to 72. And close and return. Then I'll open up the green link and we'll change that to 36. And close and return. And we'll leave the rocker and the crank as they are. Now, this green link, the rocker, will be the one that's doing the actual crushing. So let's start by modifying that. So I'll start by going to the line command and adding a little support piece to this face right here. So I'll lock to that face and go to sketch view, grab the hand and drag that over. And I'll create a line tangent to this face right here. Anything close is good enough here. And then I'll come back and make it tangent right here. And I'm going to borrow these couple of lines right here. I need to create a region. That'll close that off so I can create the solid. And I'll go back to select, grab the arrow, make sure I don't have my option on here, and just push that back to millimeters. Now I'd like to add the actual rock crushing face, and so I'm going to go out to the rectangle by center, and right here I'm going to go out and grab the center of this line right here and put a rectangle. Let's zoom out a little bit. Put a rectangle right here, and I'll make that about 90 and accept. And I want to just grab that region and push that back in. Say, I might push that back in 3 because we need that to be a little stronger. And I'll close and return. And fit the view. And I'm just going to go over here to simulate motor. This is the simulate motor we set up at the beginning, and I'll hit play. And there's my motion to crush. But I need something to crush against. So let's move over to part 2 and take a look at how we can create a face for this face to crush against.